As a parent, it is really frustrating when your baby is overtired and will not sleep. It can feel like nothing works to help them settle. Fortunately, with some patience and the right approach, you can help your baby sleep peacefully. Keeping a regular bedtime routine helps your baby fall asleep quickly. You may introduce a bedtime routine when your baby is 4 to 6 months old. Using a simple, soothing bedtime routine can help your baby feel secure and understand it is time to sleep. Keeping your baby awake during the day by engaging them in playtime can help them sleep longer at night. However, be careful not to let them get too overtired, as that can make it harder for them to fall asleep peacefully. If your baby struggles to sleep, a white noise machine can help by masking distracting sounds. It is important to choose a calming sound at a gentle volume, so it does not frighten them. The Magic Team Sound Machine offers 20 calming sounds with adjustable volume, helping babies sleep better. It creates a peaceful environment for your baby to rest. Some babies sleep better when lightly wrapped, as it helps prevent their startle reflex. Just make sure it is not too tight to keep them comfortable. A pacifier can help your baby sleep by calming them. When you use a pacifier, it satisfies their natural sucking reflex, which helps them relax and fall asleep. Gently rubbing your baby cheeks and palms when they wake up at night can help relax them and get them back to sleep. This simple touch is soothing and calming. Give your baby a warm bath, then massage them with calming lavender lotion to help them relax and sleep better. It is especially helpful at bedtime when they have trouble falling asleep. Rocking your baby can help calm them and make it easier for them to fall asleep. Just remember to place them on their back in a crib once they are ready to sleep. These tips will help your baby learn to settle by themselves. If the problem continues, it is a good idea to consult a pediatrician.